Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to personalize notification sound on Android. Personalizing notification sounds on Android allows you to assign unique tones for apps, messages, or even specific contacts. Here's how you can do it. First, change the default notification sound. Go to Settings, Sound, or Sound and Vibration. Look for the Notification Sound or Default Notification Sound option. Choose from the list of available tones. Confirm your selection by going back, and it will become the default notification tone. Next, assign custom notification sounds for specific contacts. You can set unique notification sounds for messages from specific contacts. For SMS or messaging apps, open the messaging app, for example, WhatsApp, Google Messages. Choose a conversation or the contact you want to personalize. Tap the Options menu, the three dots. Go to Details, Notifications, Sound. Choose a notification sound for that contact by tapping on it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.